Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap McKinleyville local and long-distance movers near me. Our skilled movers know how to ensure that your long-distance move doesn't involve all the stress. When you need to move 100 miles away or even 2,000 miles away, we can assist. The best moving services help make all the difference, and our staff provide just what you need for your upcoming relocation. Our experts take care of all the important moving choices, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to work with a local California moving company may not seem like it's worth the cost. However, following a close look at the key advantages of hiring a local moving company, you will likely see that it's well worth it. The time savings you get may make hiring a moving company one of the best decisions you've made. It will also prevent you from having to deal with heavy lifting. Our skilled movers provide efficiency with each and every single move. Using a local moving company, such as 3 Movers, you receive a streamlined move. Moving locally may be very fast, and our crew can deal with even a huge move in just one morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our McKinleyville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.